Uh-huh. I mean no harm or insult to. They say na who know where leg they pain now. Now you know how to manage them inside shoe. Now wherefore they pain me now I want talk. My honorable governor, sir. Governor Godwin Nogayase Obaseki, Your Excellency, sir. And my honorable president, the one and only dogged president, President Muhammadu Buhari. Now 12 na picture now for years. So I not come here to come insult una. I not come here to come curse una. But I come. My ask una 1 or 2 questions because the thing they bother me. I just say man ask so that maybe una go still see this video. Una go shock why I carry all these bandit picture near una. Baba Mona no vessel, my president and my governor. This thing don't they too much for this state. This Edo state they don't they too much. Why be say kidnapping now don't become normal job for some people? So now person on your feet they travel again, they go a village peacefully. Person on your feet move, go anywhere again. Even if they even book us for event, now some can't do MC for our chief fear not let us go. Can't do MC for Uromi land or anywhere, fear not let us go. That how no way, no road to pass. Kidnappers everywhere. The you people, if you want to talk, my president will say we are doing something about it. My governor will say we are working on it. Obama really talk truth. Now to me, una feel they do something I don't know. But to me, I feel say una never do na best. And the way I feel, but maybe una did try. But to me, I feel say una never do na best. Una know why I talk so? Now, December the day, people they fear now to come home to come celebrate with their loved ones. What really they happen for this country safe? What really they happen? Now, kidnappers go they do and like say the thing don't turn to war zone. My honorable governor, sir, before you became the governor of Edo State, bandits, kidnappers, they fear. They fear what they call Benin. They fear. More talk truth. I'm not saying they are not afraid of you. I'm not saying you are not trying. I'm not saying you are not doing your best. But what I'm saying is, if you want to quench these people, if you want to end them, you can do it. My leader, sir, do it. Quench them. You know why I'm saying this? Watch this video now. Watch this video. What happened for Goneki Road 2 days ago? Yeah, watch this one. Now they don't share body. Sunday Auchi Road. Some don't even come Agbo Road now. Goneki. Now they don't match the 2 sides. So no more going, no more coming. Watch the video now. No, watch this video. Make see what happen.
Go. Don't wait, Don't wait. They don't carry it. They don't carry this. Wait. If you go down now, pass down. Wait. Arrest him. Hey, come. Let's go. Go.
No, you just come down from push. Go sit down here.
Everyone blow it out. Hey.
Sit down here.
Now people.
Hey, now people don't fire. Don't fire here. Everyone,
No fire. This one are them. This one are this one. Take cover again. Hey.
Sure you don't watch the video now. You don't see him. This one are the few ones waiting happen recently when we dey travel go Agbo. Now God save us. Now God now save us. So imagine those days if kidnapper want kidnap people, kidnapper they go kidnap people because the person a big man or the person hold better money. But now kidnappers they kidnap out of wickedness, out of government not get wetin they'll do us. Now person go go kidnap person when you don't even know whether I don't chop for us. Person like me will never pay us rent. Want to kidnap me? Who want to pay? Not be suffer. They want you suffer me. No, you said think now. They will kidnap people when they come from farm. People when go farm market. People when do this one. They don't even care whether they get money or not. They will kidnap all of them. And the worst part of it now, once they just say woman they inside, he do plop 247. They do the woman he do plop according to Brother Solo. No, you check him now. They'll carry person wife go inside bush. Say they kidnap her, but before the person wife go come outside, go get belly for Boko Haram, go get belly for kidnapper. People, mama, no, you check him. Then if the catch man when not get money, check what they do. My friend, that boy when they out, they cut your hand. No, that one don't they useless for life. See, let truth be told. If we want to stop kidnappers, we want to stop all these bandits for those states. It's very simple. When I was growing up, my father told me that there was something that happened some time ago. Whether they say some people, they come they terrorize this land or something. Now, ant. Now they send, go give them for inside bush. Ant. Soldier ant. Millions, billions of ants. All these people use spiritual power. They pack ants for forest. Chase all of them away. Okay, more live and say we don't want to use juju matter. For this state, when we did, we get police when hajja. When we say if you really give them better money now, make president now and governor come together. So okay, now we won't give those police when really not. They don't want year one, they don't want year two. We give them power. Oh yeah, flush these people out, bro. 3 days they'll come out those bandits for inside bush. Now you never give the go ahead. See, okay, more leave there now. You don't recruit what they call them vigilante. Now all those are just vigilant. All those ones that they use both spiritual and physical. Give the go ahead, say, Alpha, we are giving you so billions, we are giving so millions. Fetch these people out, we don't want to see them again. See, under weeks, they'll remove them. Okay, more leave those ones and say they're not fit. Okay, we get army for this state. No, empower army now, give them money, give them billions of naira. Say, these people, we don't want to see them in this bush again. If it happen, now on a hand it day. Give them plenty money. Make army vest, enter bush. After all, army and bush now 5 and 6. They will flush these people away. No, I don't want to do them. Okay, more leave that one. Now we get Air Force for this state. We get Air Force. No more talk to for this full Nigeria self. Which problem Nigeria really get for air when Air Force they fight for air? Now land we forget problem now. Air Force they collect salary 247. Which crime? Which problem that they help us they solve for air now? Okay, give those people money, empower them. May they use helicopter. May they from up view those people, track them down for this Auchi road and what do they call it? This Ogoneki road. Give them money. May they use helicopter, track those people down. Whether they not go flush these people away from this bush. No, let truth be told now. Okay, more we imagine say those other people when me don't call they no fit. Baba now we be a do. Now we be Benin. The heartbeat of Juju Ogun. Give native daughter power. Give native daughters, all the native daughters in the state. Call all of them together. Say we are giving you people so money. More na use una spiritual power. Fetch these people away. Finish them. They go come out and they'll flush them. More talk truth. I'm not saying you people are not doing your best. You people are trying, but the best is not good enough. It's not working. My governor, sir, in case you are not aware, let me beg you, let me tell you, please. We not the fit travel for Auchi road again. We not the fit even travel again and say we go Agbo or East and land. You cannot dare it. Where you want pass? At Ekoma Road, Abi Ogoneki Road. As you travel any of these two roads, you divide your heart into two. One, I feel die. One, I feel they alive. Now so they continue to travel now. You fit not know sha because you know say if you dey travel convoy dey because many police many soldiers dey so dem no go fit near you. Like we wey not get convoy, we wey not get soldiers, we wey not get guards, na risk, na problem with dey. More na help us, abeg. Na so we do, we die in fear. Na here man follow run enter bush, na him better pass say na here man die o. Once man don die. Wetin dey happen na? Because you already said those states no peace, nothing, none of fit travel again, none of fit go anywhere. What about we wey not get money to carry police and escort? Na so we go dey. Now what front those states don't turn to? All these people want to call their names just now. Anyone you know say you feel used to end these people, use that to end there. I beg. Well, I mean, what I feel do. Anyway, I'm leaving this country.